Let's start with pre-UPS set B, section A, reaction kinetic. Okay, the first question, the value of rate constant can be changed by for this question, we know that K is equal to AE exponent negative EA over RT. Or when we manipulate, it will become ln K equal to ln A minus EA over RT. So the value of K can be changed when we change the temperature because it relates. So the answer is D, the fourth option, temperature. Okay, next, the change in concentration of reactant or product over time. The above statement is the definition of rate of reaction. The change of concentration, either reactant or product over time. So it is the rate of reaction. Okay. The third question, smaller particle size will, in terms of reaction rate, if we have smaller particle size, it will make the surface areas exposed to the reaction will be increased. Okay, so the answer is, the first one, decrease the surface area. This is wrong answer. Increase the surface area exposed to the collision, but decrease the reaction rate. So this is wrong statement. Decrease the surface area, no. When the substance smaller, the surface area exposed to the collision will be increased. So this is also incorrect statement. And the last one, increase the surface area exposed to the collision and also increase the reaction rate. So the correct statement is option number 4. Okay, something like sugar, smaller sugar, gula pasir, gula yang halus tu, kalau kita kacau, we mix in the solution, the reaction rate will be increased. Okay, compared to gula batu, gula yang besar tu. Okay, next, minimum energy required to initiate the chemical reaction is called activation energy. Okay, next question, the last question. Which of the following statement below correctly describe transition state? Okay, transition state ni, if we draw the energy profile diagram, example, I draw for the endothermic. So the transition state is located at here. This is transition state. Okay, at the transition state, okay, there is a activated complex. Activated complex will form. So at the activated complex means the new bond will form and the old bond partially broken, and this species is unstable. So look at the answer. Consists partially broken for new bond and partially formed for old bond. So this is vice versa, terbalik. So this is incorrect. Unstable species, yes, for the activated complex. Okay, process lower energy compared to the reactant. This is incorrect. Return back to the reactant when kinetic energy higher than the activation energy. Okay, this is also incorrect. So the answer is option 2. Okay, now we continue with section B, thermochemistry, pre-UPS 2. B. Okay, heat change when 1 mole of water is formed. The keyword is formed from the hydrogen and oxygen in their most stable state. So hydrogen and oxygen we call element. So is formed. So the answer is the formation of enthalpy of formation of water, H2O. Okay, next. Which of the following is definition of enthalpy combustion? Enthalpy combustion is heat release. Okay, pembakaran kan? So heat absorbed is not the answer. Incorrect. Heat given out when 1 mole of substance burn completely in oxygen. This is correct statement. Okay, the heat change. Combustion, we cannot use the term heat change. Heat change, it can be positive, it can be negative. So this is incorrect. The heat given out when 1 mole of substance burn completely in 1 mole of oxygen. This one, because of the statement 1 mole of oxygen, we not limit. The combustion must be in excess oxygen actually, until it completely burn. Okay, so the answer is option 2. Okay, we go to next. An energy profile diagram is shown below. An energy profile diagram for the reaction below. Which of the following letters A, B, C, D represent enthalpy? Enthalpy is the difference between reactant, the differences in energy between reactant and product. So the answer is C. Option C. So the answer is C. Next question. By applying Hess law, enthalpy solution is the sum of which enthalpy change? Okay. By applying the Hess law, enthalpy solution is the sum of the enthalpy change. Okay. So for enthalpy solution, it involves lattice energy and also delta H hydration. So the answer is lattice dissociation energy. Option 1, enthalpy formation. This is incorrect. Enthalpy formation also incorrect. In ionization energy lagilah salah kan. Lattice dissociation energy and enthalpy hydration. This is correct. Lattice dissociation energy and ionization energy. This is incorrect. So the statement is option 3, the correct answer. Okay, the last question. Which of the following is the unit of specific heat capacity? So specific heat capacity, it relate to the mass and also the temperature. So and involve energy. So the answer is joule per gram per degree Celsius. It's done. Okay, last part for pre-UPS, Set B, Section C, Electrochemistry. There are 7 questions in this section. So we go through the first question. In the electrolysis of copper sulfate solution using copper as an electrode, what is expected observation at anode? So we look at the species at anode here. At anode, we have positive ion, which is at anode we have anion. Okay, we have sulfate 2 minus, we have H2O, and we have copper as an active electrode. So sulfate ion, we cannot choose this one because S has maximum oxidation number. H2O, we also not choose here, not occur, because we have active electrode. So active electrode will become dominant in this reaction. So copper will oxidize to become copper ion plus 2 electron. So the product formed at the anode is copper ion. So look at the answer. Gas bubble formed at copper anode. So this is incorrect. Gas normally for hydrogen gas or oxygen gas. Red orange solid deposited at copper anode. This is also incorrect because copper solid oxidized. It will become ion. So it will not deposited. Copper anode dissolved in the solution. Yes, this is the correct answer. No observable change. This is incorrect. So option 3 is the best answer. Okay, we go to the next question. What is the use of standard hydrogen electrode? So, She is used as a reference for measuring electrode potential and half cell potential reaction. Option 1 is the best choice. Okay. Next question. Stronger oxidizing agent. Stronger oxidizing agent, we refer oxidizing PROC. So stronger oxidizing agent, it must has the value more positive, and it occur at cathode. Okay, look at the answer. Has more positive standard reduction potential. This is correct answer. Okay, has less positive standard reduction. Incorrect. Best oxidizing agent, it will have more positive oxidizing agent. Undergoes a reduction at anode. Reduction only occur at cathode. Okay, undergoes oxidation at cathode. Okay, oxidation occur at anode. So the best choice is option 1. Has more positive standard reduction potential value. Next question. What could be done at higher value of cell potential? Okay, higher value of cell potential means we want to increase E cell. So to increase the E cell, we can lower the temperature. Okay. Next, which statement best describe Faraday's first law? Okay, in Faraday's first law, Faraday's is related to the quantity charge and also the amount of product. So we look at one by one. In electrolysis, the amount of product formed at each electrode is proportional to the concentration. So this is incorrect. The electrolysis, the amount of product formed of each electrode is proportional to the mass of electrode. This also incorrect. Okay, the electrolysis of amount of product. In electrolysis, the amount of product formed at each electrode is proportional to the quantity electric charge passed through the cell. This is correct. The Faraday's is about you relate Q and also mass. The quantity of charge and also mass, the product. So the best option is option number 3. Okay, now we go to the next question. Okay, copper ion receive electron to become copper ion plus. Which is of the following is the correct about the above equation? So for the above equation, 0.5 volt, it show that the copper ion attract the electron or receive the electron towards it. So the best answer is option number 4. 0.15 voltan is measure of the ability copper 2 plus ion to attract the electron towards it. Kalau remove ni tak boleh lah. Remove means it produce electron. Okay, this one reject. Okay, measure to ability copper 2 plus. Copper plus. This is copper plus. Okay, according to equation, this is copper 2 plus. So this is also incorrect. Okay, last question. If graphite is used as both anode and cathode, which electrolytic cell does not? Okay, the keyword is does not produce oxygen gas at anode. Okay, electrolysis of water. So for water electrolysis, oxygen gas will produce at anode. This is produce oxygen gas at anode. Okay, electrolysis of diluted sodium chloride solution. So at anode we have Cl minus and H2O. So according to SRP, we will choose H2O. So H2O will oxidize to produce oxygen gas. Okay, so this is correct. Electrolysis of concentrated. So we have Cl minus and H2O. Okay, for this one, even the value of H2O is seldom is better to oxidize, but we choose Cl minus because this is concentrated. So at the anode, it will form chlorine gas. Okay, next, electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium sulfate. Aqueous solution at anode, so we have sulfate ion and also H2O. So sulfate ion is rejected because sulfur has maximum oxidation number, which is 6. So we will choose H2O. So H2O, when it oxidizes, it will produce oxygen gas. So the best answer, which electrolytic cell does not produce oxygen gas at anode, is option 3. That's all.